Welcome to Future Aspirants. Now we will discuss 16th August 2021 daily current affairs. India is celebrating the 75th Independence Day on 15th August 2021. India is celebrating its 75th Independence Day on 15th August 2021 to mark the country's freedom from nearly 2 centuries of British colonial rule. India is marking its 75th Independence Day as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. India is marking 75th Independence Day as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. India celebrates its 75th Independence Day on 15th August 2021. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is leading the celebrations from Red Fort in New Delhi and is addressing the nation from Red Fort in New Delhi. This is his 8th address as the Prime Minister. The Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment, Dr. Virendra Kumar, has flagged off a pioneering world record expedition named Operation Blue Freedom from Dr. Ambedkar International Center, New Delhi, on the occasion of 75th Independence Day. Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment, Dr. Virendra Kumar, flags off Operation Blue Freedom, where the Operation Blue Freedom expedition comprised of a team of people with diabetes from across the country to reach Siachen Glacier to create a new world record for the largest team of people with diabetes reaching the world's highest battlefield. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has set the target of becoming an energy independent country by the year 2047. Prime Minister Narendra Modi sets India's target to become energy independent by the year 2047 as the year when India will celebrate 100th year of independence. 2047, India will celebrate 100th year of independence. For this, Prime Minister has announced a mission Circular Economy that will replace petroleum with other forms of energy to make India achieve self-reliance in energy production by 2047. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment has launched an online portal named TAPAS, Training for Augmenting Productivity and Services, TAPAS, to provide, whereas the online portal TAPAS is to provide filmed lectures or courses and e-study material in the field of social defense. An online e-study platform named TAPAS in the field of social defense is launched by Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has launched Sanchiraya, a brand and logo for marketing of the Urban Self-Help Group SHG products. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has launched brand and logo for Urban Self-Help Group SHG products, that is Sanchiraya. To make urban SHG products popular, the ministry has signed memorandum of understanding with e-commerce portals like Amazon and Flipkart with an underlying narrative of women empowerment. To make urban SHG products popular, the ministry has signed MOU with e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Flipkart. Afghanistan President Ashraf Ghani will shortly tender his resignation as the government has surrendered to the Taliban forces which entered Kabul. Following this, a new interim government has been announced which is likely to be headed by Ali Ahmad Jalai. Afghanistan capital Kabul. Afghanistan currency Afghani. Afghanistan official languages Pashto Dari. Afghanistan President Ashraf Ghani steps down as Taliban forces takes power. World Health Organization WHO has created a new advisory group named the International Scientific Advisory Group for Origins of Novel Pathogens, or SAGO. The International Scientific Advisory Group for Origins of Novel Pathogens, WHO, forms advisory group named SAGO, that is the International Scientific Advisory Group for Origins of Novel Pathogens. President of World Health Organization Tedros Adhanom. Headquarters of World Health Organization located at Geneva, Switzerland. World Health Organization founded on 7th April 1948. India's first drone forensic lab and research center has come up in Kerala. India's first drone forensic lab comes up in Kerala. The Chief Minister of Kerala, Pinarayi Vijayan, was inaugurating the State Police Department's Drone Forensic Laboratory at the Kerala State Police Cyberdrome. Chief Minister of Kerala, Pinarayi Vijayan. Governor of Kerala, Arif Muhammad Khan. Kaziranga National Park, KNP, in Assam, has become the first national park in India to be equipped with satellite phones, which is the first in India's first national park equipped with satellite phones. That is Kaziranga National Park in Assam. Governor of Assam, Jagdish Mukhi. Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sharma. Capital of Assam, Dispur. Adi Godrej will step down as the chairman of Godrej Industries on October 1st, 2021. He will be replaced by Nadir Godrej. Nadir Godrej, who is his younger brother. Adi Godrej will step down as the chairman of Godrej Industries on October 1st, 2021. He will be replaced by Nadir Godrej, his younger brother. Godrej Industries is the holding company of the Godrej Group. Godrej Industries founded on 1963. Headquarters located at Maharashtra. HCL Foundation, the corporate social responsibility arm of HCL Technologies, has launched an online portal called My eHat to empower artisans and strengthen the value chain of the handicraft sector in the country. HCL Foundation, the corporate social responsibility arm of HCL Technologies, launches My eHat portal to empower artisans. HCL Technologies CEO C. Vijay Kumar. HCL Technologies founded on 11th August 1976. HCL Technologies headquarters located at Noida. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has declared that August 14 will be observed as Partition Horrors Remembrance Day or Vibhajan Vibhishika Smriti Divas Day in memory of people's struggles and sacrifices during the partition of the country in 1947. Prime Minister Narendra Modi declares that August 14 as Partition Horrors Remembrance Day or Vibhajan Vibhishika Smriti Divas. Former West Germany forward and the Bayern Munich football legend Gerd Müller has passed away. German football legend Gerd Müller has passed away. Eminent India international footballer Chinmay Chatterjee has passed away. Eminent India international footballer Chinmay Chatterjee has passed away. 4 more wetlands from India have been added to the list of Ramsar sites, giving it the status of wetland of international importance. With this, the total number of Ramsar sites in India have reached 46. With this, the total number of Ramsar sites in India has reached 46. Whereas the 4 sites are Tol, Gujarat, Vadhwana, Gujarat, Sultanpur, Haryana, Bindawas, Haryana. These sites have been recognized as the wetlands of international importance under the Ramsar Convention. 2 of these sites are in Haryana, 2 of these sites, while the other 2 are in Gujarat. Dr. Jitendra Singh has released India's first cattle genomic chip, Indigo, for the conservation of pure varieties of indigenous cattle breeds like Gir, Kangraj, Sahiwal, Ongol, etc. India's first cattle genomic chip, Indigo, released by Jitendra Singh. Thank you for watching.